Hello students. Today I am going to explain you different forms of power sharing. It is an important topic of class 10th and a 5 marks question on this topic is asked in class 10th board exam. So there are 5 different forms of power sharing. First is horizontal power sharing, second is vertical power sharing, third is power sharing among different political parties, fourth is power sharing among different social groups, and fifth is power sharing among different pressure groups. So, first, horizontal power sharing. So, horizontal power sharing is also called different organs of the government, that is, legislative, executive, and judiciary. They are also called checks and balances because whenever one organ of the government crosses its limit, then others control it. Now, the second, vertical power sharing. So, in vertical power sharing, there are different levels. The first, the topmost level in our country is central government. Below that, there are different state governments. Third is local self government. Now, the topmost layer, central government or union government, it controls or make laws for the whole country. The state government's law is applicable only in a particular state. And the third level, the lowest level, that is local self governments, its law or jurisdiction is a particular town, city, or a village. Now, the third form of power sharing, that is power sharing among different political parties. So, when there is election and different political parties are participating in it, and the winner party keep changing with different elections, then it is power sharing among different political parties. There is a direct form of power sharing among different political parties also when a coalition government is formed. So, what is coalition government? When one party is not able to get majority of seats and it shares or it forms government with help of any other party or parties, then that is a coalition government. Now, the fourth form of power sharing is power sharing among different social groups. So, in a country, there are different groups, and all of them are not developing with the same speed. For example, in our country, there are women, scheduled caste people, scheduled tribe people, other backward classes. They are not progressing with the mainstream groups or the main groups. So, when the reservation is given to these social groups, that is power sharing among different social groups. And you have studied about Belgium's community government, that is also a form of power sharing among different social groups. Now, the fifth form of power sharing is power sharing among different pressure groups. So, in a country, there are different interest groups made by different professionals like farmers, industrialists, businessmen, industrial workers. So, to get their particular demand fulfilled by the government, they pressurize the government, and it is called power sharing among different social groups. So, I have explained you all 5 forms of power sharing, and I hope you will be able to write the answer very well in the exam. So, bye.